Every great journey begins with a spark, a dream that seems distinct but never impossible. This is the story of Comfy Cup, a journey of inspiration, courage, and progress. In the small town of Sirsi, a young girl watched her mother work tirelessly, balancing the challenges of womanhood and parenthood. Her mother's perseverance inspired her to make a change. As she grew, the girl discovered the menstrual cup is the best alternative for periods, which is sustainable and environmentally friendly. So she found this is the best option for women's life, and that ignited her passion to start her entrepreneurship journey.
Comfy Cup started on 15 August 2020.
What started as a vision turned into a mission.
Our vision is to create awareness on sustainable menstrual hygiene solutions and also make it available for every woman out there.
Conducting educational programs and introducing innovative products like menstrual cup wash, reusable pad, period panty, Comfy Cup sterilizing container. Comfy Cup became more than a brand, it became a movement.
Every movement created a movement for us and also for our consumers.
With production units employing and empowering women, we built a community of change makers.
We are improving and empowering female community by enhancing their dignity and productivity.
Today, Comfy Cup offers 35 products trusted by thousands. We are partnered with several government, non-government organizations, institutions, and self-help groups.
A seed was planted in Sirsi. Now, the tree has grown across India.
ಬ್ಲೀಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ ಮುಟ್ಟಿನ ಕಪ್ ಕುರಿತು ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದರು.
ಕಾಂಫಿ ಕಪ್ನ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕಿ ದಿವ್ಯಾ ಗೋಕರ್ಣ ಅವರಿಂದ ಬ್ಲೀಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ ಋತುಚಕ್ರದ ಕಪ್ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟರು.
ಶಿರಸಿಯ ದಿವ್ಯಾ ಜತೆಗೂಡಿ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟರಿ ಕಪ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಸ್ವಂತ ಕಂಪನಿ ತೆರೆದು ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನತ್ತ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಶಿರಸಿ ಮಲೆನಾಡಿನ ಯುವತಿ ದಿವ್ಯಾ ಗೋಕರ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನ ತಾವು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಕೇವಲ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಮಹಿಳೆಯ ಋತುಸ್ರಾವಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಸರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿ ಮೆನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರುರಲ್ ಕಾಂಫಿ ಕಪ್ ತಯಾರಿಕೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಗಮನ ಸೆಳೆದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
ಅನುಭವಿಸಿದ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆನೇ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 90% ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. 800 to 900 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
In this journey, we are recognized as leading menstrual education organization and one of the sustainable period product company in the country. Our founder was honored as the Women Health and Hygiene Ambassador, a testament to our commitment and success. Our journey continues with vision to reach 1 crore women, offering support, education, and sustainable solutions. Comfy Cup is spreading its wings across the globe like Singapore, Middle East, USA, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and more by setting up higher capacity manufacturing plant and corporate office in Palace City, Mysore.
The journey of Comfy Cup is courageous, relentless, and also inspirational.
Thank you for being part of our journey.
Because we care about both you and Earth.